Today we discuss solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. So what do you mean by solution of quadratic equation? Suppose this is quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then what is meant by solution of this quadratic equation? So solution means the value of variable. The value of variable when we substitute in equation. In equation we should get RHS equal to LHS. It means the value of variable satisfy the given equation, then that value of variable is called solution of quadratic equation. Okay, we have already discussed the zeros of quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial have at most two zeros. At most two zeros. And so the quadratic equation also have at most two roots. At most two roots. Why? Because the degree of quadratic polynomial quadratic equation is 2. So at most two roots means this quadratic equation, some quadratic equation may have two distinct roots. Okay, two distinct roots. Some have both these roots are equal, means one root, and some quadratic equation have no roots. So therefore we see that quadratic equation have at most two roots. Okay, so we have here find the solution of quadratic equation means how to find the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay, and this method you already studied in 9th class. That is, this is also called as splitting method. This is also called as splitting method. Okay, so solution of quadratic equation means the value of variable. Okay, which satisfy the given equation is called solution, and the quadratic equation have at most two roots. Okay, so what is this method and how can we find the root of any given quadratic equation? See the first example. Here 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So splitting method means factorization method means what? We have to split this middle term. We have to split this middle term and we have to make this equation into the product of factors. Product of factors. Okay, means first factor, second factor. So these two factors, product of these two factors complete this quadratic equation. Okay, so how can we split this middle term? So there is some method. See, so first आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले x square का कोएफिशिएंट लेना है. x square का कोएफिशिएंट. What is the coefficient here? x square 2. Then last term with sign. Don't forget sign of any number or any coefficient. Okay, so first हमने लिया coefficient of x square 2, then last term minus 6, then multiply this 2 and we get minus 12. Okay, minus 12. अब आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे दो नंबर आपको चॉइस करना है कि जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिस नंबर -12 आना चाहिए और उनका ही एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन द मिडल टर्म कोएफिशिएंट. व्हाट इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ मिडल टर्म? दैट इज 1. ओके, सो हमें 1 आना चाहिए. सो यू कैन गेस व्हाट आर these two numbers whose product is -12 and addition or subtraction is 1. So here these two numbers are 3 and 4. But here minus sign. 3 into 4 is 12. But here minus sign. So I माइनस साइन -3 को लगा, so -3 into 4 that is -12 and -3 plus 4 that is 1. So these two numbers are -3 and +4. So these two numbers are very important. Okay, so हमने सबसे पहले ये दो नंबर हमें चूज करना है. तो ये नंबर अगर मिल गए तो इट इज वेरी इजी टू फैक्टराइज दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, सो हमें नंबर मिले -3 और 4. ओके, सो जस्ट split this middle term. You write this equation as, see, 2x square in place of x. Okay, in place of 1x you write here -3x plus 4x. -3x plus 4x. So -3 plus 4x, that is 1x, and last term as it -6 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our quadratic equation. Here I split this middle term as -3x plus 4x. Now just make the group of these two terms. So what is the common here in this first group? Common is, see, here is common x. So when मैंने जब यहाँ से x कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ पे बचा 2x -3. देन आपको क्या करना है, ये जो ब्रैकेट पहला है इसको एज इट इज लिख दो. ओके, ज्यादा इधर लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ आपको पहला ब्रैकेट एज इट इज लिख देना है. उसके बाद फर्स्ट देखो 2x और यहाँ पे 4x. तो 2x को आप कितने से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको 4x मिलेगा, दैट इज +2. ओके, यू कैन चेक 2 into 2x 4x, 2 into -3 -6. Okay, so it equal to 0. Now this is one term and this is second term. So what is the common between these two terms? There is 2x -3 is the common. So जब ये ब्रैकेट मैंने कॉमन निकाला तो यहाँ पे रहा x plus 2 is equal to 0. So these are the factors of this equation. Okay, so this equation, this quadratic equation has have two factors, that is 2x -3 and x plus 2. So to find the root of this equation we have to equate this factor equal to 0. Then so first factor is 2x -3 is equal to 0 and second factor x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then here 2x is equal to 3, so x is equal to 3 upon 2. So this is our first rule. Okay, now here x is equal to -2. This is our second rule. So what are the roots of this equation? -2 and 3/2. It means the values of these values of these x, when you substitute in this equation satisfied. It means LHS we get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, just I verified here. If I substitute here x is equal to -2. So see, LHS 2x square plus x minus 6. So 2 into -2 square plus -2 minus 6. So it is -2 square 4. 4 into 2 8. -2 minus 6. So 8 minus 2 6. 6 minus 6 0. It means that this value of x, that is -2, satisfy this equation. Means x is equal to -2 is the root of this quadratic equation. Similarly, this is also root of this equation. So here we get two distinct roots of this given quadratic equation. Okay, so this is the method how to find the roots of quadratic equation. So this is our first problem. Now we take second problem, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो सेम यहां पे आपको x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट और लास्ट टर्म इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू √2 into 5 √2. What is the answer here? √2 into √2, 2. 2 into 5, 10. Then you have to choose two values whose product is 10 and addition and subtraction we should get with a term that is plus 7. Okay, so what are these two numbers? So it is very easy. The numbers are 5 and 2. See, 5 into 2, 10. Then 5 plus 2, it is 7. So numbers are 5 and 2. Okay, so just write this equation again as √2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 √2 is equal to 0. See this, I am splitting this term, middle term as 5x plus 2x. 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. Okay, then make the groups. So this is first group, this is second group. So what we get here, what is the common here? Here is x common. So √2x plus 5u. Then again मैंने क्या कहा था, ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज √2x plus 5. अब देखो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टर्म है √2x और यहाँ पे है 2x. x की टर्म लेते हैं ना, सो √2x और यहाँ पे 2x. अब बताओ √2x को किस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको 2x मिलेगा. √2x को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको 2x मिलेगा. It is obviously when you multiply √2 by √2 we get 2. It means when I multiply this term by √2 then we get 2x. Verify √2 into √2x, that is 2x and 5 √2. Okay, so it is correct. Then again this ये जो ब्रैकेट है ये फिर से कॉमन आ जाएगा. So √2x plus 5 then that is x plus √2 is equal to 0. So these are the factors of this given quadratic equation. Now equate this factor to 0 to find the roots. So first is √2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Another is x plus √2 is equal to 0. So find the value of here. √2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 upon √2. So √2 is in denominator, so rationalize it. √2. Okay, so we get x is equal to minus 5 √2 upon 2. So this is our first root of this quadratic equation. Now what is the second root? So it's simple here, minus √2. So this is our second root. Okay, so what are the roots of this given quadratic equation? Minus √2 and minus 5 √2 by 2, or you can write minus 5 upon √2. Okay, so these are the roots of given quadratic equation, and this is the method by which we can find easily the roots of quadratic equation. Okay, the third problem, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 0. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में आपको ये जो टर्म है डिनोमिनेटर रैशनल नंबर में है p upon q फॉर्म, तो इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तब आपको इक्वेशन मिल जाएगी. ओके, सो इसको हटाना है डिनोमिनेटर, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हर एक टर्म को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. We have to multiply each term by 8. Okay, so 2x square into 8 minus x into 8 plus 1 upon 8 into 8 is equal to 0 into 8. हर एक टर्म को आपको 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So we get here 16x square. 16 x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. Okay. So ये इक्वेशन मिल गई. अब इसके हमें रूट्स निकालना है. So this equation and this equation is same. When you divide it by 2, divide by 8, we get same equation. Okay. Then just to find their roots, so multiply first coefficient term, that is coefficient of x square, that is 16, into last term 1, we get product 16. Okay. Now what are the two numbers whose product is 16 and addition and subtraction is middle term? Now what is the middle term here? That is coefficient of x minus 8. Don't forget sign. Okay. So minus 8. So what are these numbers whose product is 16 and addition and subtraction is minus 8? Can you guess? Okay. So these numbers are, find 4 into 4, that is 16. Okay. 4 into 4, 16, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So I am writing here 4 into 4, 16, and 4 plus 4, that is 8, but we need here minus 8. Okay. So just change the sign. So here if I write here minus 4 and minus 4, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16, and minus 4 minus 4, that is minus 8. Okay. So numbers are minus 4 and minus 4. So just write this equation same as 16x square in place of minus 8. I am writing here minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Just make the groups like this. And अब इसका कॉमन क्या है? देखो इस फर्स्ट ग्रुप में कॉमन क्या है? That is 4x. तो इसको इसमें से अगर आप 4x कॉमन निकालेंगे तो 4x कॉमन निकालेंगे तो इट इज 4x minus 1. You just write this bracket 4x minus 1. So here minus 4x, here plus 4x. So we have to multiply it with minus 1. So minus 1 into 4x minus 4x, and minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Then common 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So our first factor is 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Second, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 4. And here also 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 4. So these are the roots of given quadratic equation. Here both roots are same. Means there is only one root, that is 1 upon 4, because both roots are same. And in previous problem roots are distinct. Means अलग अलग roots थे और यहाँ पे same roots थे. So quadratic equation have at most two roots. If some quadratic equation have two distinct roots, some have two equal roots, and some have no roots. Okay. So remember that. Thank you.